of activity in science. After it is dry, let's hang it. Then let's close the light. Then we need a flashlight. Then observe it. It is beautiful, right? This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching it. Thank you.